This is the DJI Mini 2, and I'm going to use the controller and show how the joysticks are used to control the drone. First, I will move the left toggle forward, which should be up. Now I will move the left toggle backwards, which should be down. Now I will move the left toggle to the left, which should rotate the drone to the left. Now I'll rotate the drone to the right by pushing the toggle to the right. Now I'll use the right joystick. I'm going to push the joystick forward and the drone should move straight ahead. Now I'll take the right joystick and pull back, and the drone should go back towards us. Now I will toggle the right joystick to the right, and the drone should move to the right. Now I'll move the right joystick to the left, and the drone should move to the left. And that's the demo.